Hey guys, welcome to this WhatsApp guide, and here I'll detail how to allow WhatsApp access to contact. So if you want to import all your contact to WhatsApp on your iPhone so as to have access to all the contact while you want to chat with them, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily allow access to contact on your iPhone. As you can see, allow access to your phone contact so you can chat with them more easily. So here I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this on your iPhone. So if none of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to allow WhatsApp access to contacts on an iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once open the settings app, scroll down and click on WhatsApp. If you're using iOS 17, iOS 16 or earlier, just go ahead and click on WhatsApp. On iOS 18, you just need to scroll down and click on apps. Then on the applications page, just scroll down until you get to WhatsApp and then click on it. Now, once you selected WhatsApp, here you have access to all the WhatsApp settings, including allow WhatsApp access to. Then under this face, locate contact and click on it. You can see this contact access is set to none. Now, to allow WhatsApp access on your contact, just go ahead and click on full access. Then choose support access. Don't allow and then allow. So here, just tap allow full access. Once you tap allow full access, you can now exit the settings page. Now, once you exit the settings page, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Then if you try to add any contact here by chatting, then you should have access to all the contacts on your iPhone. So that is basically how to allow WhatsApp access to contact on an iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.